Hey guys! Today we're trying to use ClipHub on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to use ClipHub over on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so if you want to go ahead and use ClipHub over on the Instagram application, but you don't really know how to, well in this video tutorial of course, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys that. But what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And once we're already here, basically on the new option for us to create a reel, we're gonna have this option called ClipHub. And that is basically gonna be located as soon as you tap on your plus icon over here to create a reel. So just go ahead and tap on create reel. And we have this option called ClipHub right here. So just tap on ClipHub. It actually go with and choose different GIFs from the GIF library that you have on Gephi on Instagram, and also add that on your specific Instagram reel that you were trying to create. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this specific one right here. Tap on next. You can actually go ahead and add this over on your reel also. Tap on this, edit video, or swipe up to edit. Add more clips, remove some clips, add some audio, and do a lot of different stuff as well. But once you're happy with what you edited, just go ahead and tap on next, and you're gonna have the option to share it already as reel on your Instagram page. And that's how you guys could create a ClipHub over on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.